This video, I am going to show you how to withdraw your money from CJ Dropshipping wallet. The CJ wallet offers various benefits, including bonuses on top-ups and expedited order fulfillment without waiting for bank processing times. Let's dive into how to withdraw your money from CJ wallet. Navigate to the withdrawal section in your CJ account. Select the platform where you want to withdraw cash. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and then choose the account you want to withdraw to. Next, enter the verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Lastly, confirm the withdrawal transaction. By utilizing your CJ wallet effectively, you can streamline your business operations and take advantage of bonuses and faster order fulfillment processes. Top up your wallet today and start enjoying the benefits that it offers. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.